Hey, what's up, Josh from Breakers Stereo and Performance. This is a 2018 GMC 1500 Sierra. We did the McGaughys Lift on it. Now this is McGaughys 7 to 9-inch lift. We ended up doing the 9-inch. Let me show you real quick what we did. Okay, so the front is adjustable. As you can see, we replaced the strut here. You got a couple grooves here. All right, so there's 3 grooves here. You can set to either 9, 8, or 7. If you set it all the way to the top like we did, that's going to be 9, middle would be 8, and the bottom, of course, would be 7. We also added the Cognito, as you can see, upper A-arms. Of course, we got the cross members on here. As you can see, we have the piano black with the studs and the nice McGaughys logo. So all the lift components are painted piano black. Here we have the sway bar drop bracket and then the compression struts as well. Okay, so if you want to set this to 9, you want to make sure that you get the addle leaf for the rear, because if you just use the block that comes in the kit, then it's only going to give you 7. So the addle leaf will add about 1.5 inches or so. Also with the kit, you have the rear shocks, and then he already had the Firestone bags in, and what we did is we did the extender kit so that he's still able to use his bag setup. So on the wheels and tires, we have the American Force F31. These are 24 by 14. As you can see, nice polished finish. On the tire, we went with the 35, 13.5, 24, and that's made by AMP. And then we're gonna end up putting the AMP Research side steps on that here in a bit. The look came out really nice. You got lots of chrome accents here. So you got the handles, you know, the strip here, the grills is chrome. So these polished wheels tied all that chrome together with this nice white. Looks really good, really happy with the way this came out. If you got a truck like this, or if you have a truck in general that you want to get lifted, check us out. We're located at 465 North Oxnard Boulevard in the beautiful city of Oxnard. Make sure to check out our website at breakersstereoandperformance.com. Thanks for watching.